Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video we're going to be talking about how you can figure out which products of yours are not showing up in the feed link and how to basically get them back in the feed link. And this is a new feature that helps you figure that out quickly, right? So a lot of people had a concern recently saying that they uploaded a bunch of products, 100, 200 products, but their feed link is only showing 150 products or 175 products. So there's a few products missing from the feed link, and this feature helps you figure out why. So the way you want to figure this out is by going into account settings. Then you want to go into Facebook Shops settings, and you'll see this new red link that says a number of products are not in the feed link. And then below that, it tells you how many products are in the feed link. So for me, there's about 7 products that are missing from the feed link. If I click on it, here are the 7 products that are missing from the feed link. Now, why are they missing? Well, I would have to investigate myself, right? So there's a few reasons. The images may be missing. Here we clearly have images, so that's completely fine. Descriptions may be missing, or the sales channel might not be checked, right? So let's go ahead and click on edit, and then let's click on images, right? So we have all the images. Let's go to the description. You can see that the description is missing here. So if I click on pull supplier description, it should pull the description for me. So this should be an easy fix. But you know, if this is not happening still, then you can just quickly go to the supplier, copy the description, paste it in here, and then click on save, and your product will be back to normal. Basically, it'll go into the feed link. So, you know, while we're waiting for this, okay, so it seems that for some reason our software is not able to pull the description. So I'm just going to go to the supplier, and here it seems that it had trouble pulling all of this description stuff. So I can just copy all of it and then go back into my description here, paste it, then just click on save changes. Now you'll see that there's only 6 products that are not showing up. So we want to click edit. We want to see the description. Same thing, the description is missing. It seems that for this subset of products, it wasn't able to pull in the info. Perhaps it was something related to the food category. But regardless, you can easily go ahead and get the description yourself. It seems that this product doesn't even have a description. Yeah, so this product just doesn't even have one. So I'm just going to copy the title and just put it here and click on save changes. And now you'll see that we have 5 products that are not in the feed link, and we want to go back. I think the description is the main issue here, but once again, let's go to this supplier and let's see if this has a description. So right here there's no description, and then even here there's no description. So a lot of these products don't even have a description on Amazon, which is why our software wasn't able to bring it in. But I'm just going to add some dummy descriptions in here. And just like that, you want to go through each one of these products, and you can figure out why they're not showing up in the feed link. It's generally because of a missing description, a missing title, or a missing image, main image, right? You want to make sure all of these things are in your product. Along with the sales channel, you want to make sure that the sales channel, if you click on the sales channels, you want to make sure that the Facebook Shops via feed link is checked box. Make sure it's on, right? So as long as you have all of those things checked, all your products should show up in the feed link. If you don't have them in the feed link, you can figure them out by going into the Facebook Shop settings, then clicking on the red link telling you which products are not in your feed link. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this feature helps you get down to the bottom of your problems. And if you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, click the link in the description below. It's 7 days free trial. You can cancel anytime. It's only $29 a month. You can get all these features. And if you don't know how to sell in e-commerce in general or on Facebook, check out the program we have linked down below. It's a 10-minute workday program made by Dustin and Rachel. They show you from A to Z how to sell on Facebook shops. So it's extremely useful. Check it out. You get $500 off, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great one. Bye.